Welcome back to a new week, Money Makers. Thank you guys. Our last live that we had last week, I had brought in 10 different subscribers, so I want to thank you all for joining. If you are new, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do. That helps me to create more content and to keep pushing out videos so the algorithm will like it. Now we're going to be talking about how you can start earning money on YouTube. And as you can see, I have another YouTube channel on my analytics, and you can just, my other channel has made another channel that I don't talk about on here because it's not relevant to this channel, but it's like a men's mental health channel. So basically where I talk about men's mental health, and that's generating over $2,000 for me, as you can see. But what I really want to get into talking to you about is how you can start getting monetized and reach the 4,000 watch hours and getting 1,000 subscribers. Now you heard you have to stay consistent. You have to post maybe 5 or 6, 7 times in a week. Sometimes people only post maybe 2 times a week. It just depends on what kind of content that they what blows up and the algorithm pushes. Like how to unbox things, those things, funny videos. And it depends on the mental health space too, to what type of mental health videos that you're pushing, that the algorithm is going to push out to new audience to get you the subscribers. Now we know we have to have a good thumbnail, we have to have good content. We don't want to waste people's time. And how to prepare a bike or something like that, or how to play a new video game. You don't want to spend 8 hours explaining somebody. What you rather have done was is instead of spending 8 hours showing them, basically what you need to do is how to play some popular video games or something like that to get your audience in there. It's so many different niches that you can just talk about on YouTube to make money, but it also going to be depending on what you want and what you like. So you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. You can get your 4,000 watch hours by going live every single day if you want to do that. But if you don't have an audience, you got to take some time to build your audience. Build your audience first, and then start going live every other week or every other day or even a whole month, or just constantly post videos every single day, so that way the algorithm has more of a chance to push your videos out to newer people. Now it's not going to be easy, I know, but as you can see here, it's not going to be easy, but you can do this. So you can set up an AdSense for your YouTube account to get paid on YouTube. And in case you guys don't know what AdSense, you need this to be able to get paid on YouTube. So basically, it's really straightforward. So to get paid on YouTube through YouTube AdSense for your YouTube ad account in your channel, you need to be already in the YouTube Partner Program. And the YouTube Partner Program basically it accepts you into it after you achieve 1,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. If you don't have that, you can't get into the YouTube Partner Program. You can. It has been some times where they still accept you if you are, close to that. They might just go ahead and since you're so really close to it, and it's only going to take maybe a day or 2 more to get to it, they probably will just go ahead and accept you at that point. But you won't start getting paid until you reach those thresholds. So you can monetize more on your YouTube channel using your AdSense for your YouTube account. And in case you don't know, support.google.com/YouTube answers. You can just Google this. This is really easy to learn a little bit about how to set it up. So you're going to go into your YouTube studio. You're going to click on Earn tab. You're going to sign up for the AdSense account, but you have to be accepted into the program first before you can do that. And then you're going to be asked to enter your YouTube account password, and then you're going to authenticate it. You're going to choose which Google account you would like to use your AdSense for your YouTube. So if you got multiple YouTube channels like I do, you're just going to just choose whatever one you want. And then now you're going to you're in the AdSense to YouTube. And then once you are here, they're going to verify that your email address is correct at the top of the page. If it's wrong, then you can use a different account to switch it. Continue setting up your account, provide your account info, and submit your AdSense to YouTube account application. After following the above steps, you will be taken back to your YouTube studio when you see a message verifying receipts of your AdSense to your YouTube account. Then we will inform you via email once your account has been approved. You can take up to several days. Once you are approved, you will set confirmation within the YouTube studio in the sign up for the AdSense YouTube card that your AdSense for your YouTube account is approved and active. So there you have it. It's really simple to set up all of your AdSense accounts on all your different YouTube channels. If you have more than one like me, it's really not hard, but you just need that 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to get accepted into it. And then I want to talk about 6 ways to generate 4,000 watch hours because I know that's a lot. That's a lot harder than to get subscribers. Your subscribers is going to come to you, but you got to be posting almost every day, in my opinion, for the algorithm to push it to new people. So it's 6 different ways to generate 4,000 watch hours faster. So the video length. If you are a men's mental health channel, or just a mental health channel in general, those people, like some of the popular YouTubers that's in the mental health space, you can look them up yourself, but they are having millions of views and they just talking about people's mental health. If you make a podcast about it, hour long, you are easily able to generate those watch hours very fast. But it also depends on the length of the video and what people want to watch and what's trending at that time. It's a lot. If you have to really look at very trends in your YouTube analytics and just things to that nature to get to those 4,000 watch hours. So it's going to really depend on good content and if people want to sit through it. Some people do like to watch an hour-long podcast about mental health. I've done it. I've proven it. And based on the analytics that I showed you earlier, people are making money. It is legit on YouTube. You have to know if you post shorts, consistently post shorts, that does bring in subscribers. It's not going to be an overnight sensation. You're not going to be an overnight star. But if you post consistently, you will get those subscribers through shorts. You have to really look at your audience retention. Make sure that you're not talking too long or too short. If people like what you're talking about, you don't want a 6-minute video. You want to monetize. You want to keep it going, posting maybe 20 to 25-minute videos talking about men's mental health, talking about any type of women's health or anything in general that people can relate to. You don't want it to be too short and you don't want it to be too long. You want it to be just right. That's how you retain people attention. People have a very short attention span. So the more you can retain them, that's how you're going to get people to stick with it. And then basically, if your core audience like that, algorithm is going to push it out to newer people, which means more people is going to watch it, which means more people is going to subscribe, and you're going to get those watch hours in no time. And you need to publish your videos when people are online. Look at your analytics. It tells you when your people are online. I usually post between 6 to 8 p.m. That's when people are online from my audience. So it tells you that. And it's a lot of different ways. You can try posting every day, every other day. Just stay consistent, whatever you do. Stay consistent. Make sure that you have to loop your end screens to different playlists. So then if once people stop watching one video, then they can watch another video. So these are just, and then the last one is use comments to drive engagement. Make sure that you have something to talk about so people can really talk about it in the comments. And if there's more comments, the algorithm likes that. It's going to push those videos. But I hope this helped you today. We talked about what you need. You need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. We talked about setting up your Google AdSense for all your YouTube channels. We talked about ways to get those watch hours and subscribers. So just follow along and make sure you are posting engaging in videos. And if you are one of my subscribers and you do set up a YouTube channel, reach out and let me know how it's going. But other than that, I hope you all have a great and wonderful day. And please like, comment, and subscribe. And you take care. Bye now.